So what we have here is we have a pullback. Notice the 1327.75. 1327.75 is today's open as well as yesterday's low. Price action had dropped all the way down to 1320, and watch over the no trade zone. This price action worked its way up from 1320 all the way up into the 1327.75. I had talked to everybody, and price action worked its way up to 1327, and now this can tend to work its way sideways. We waited for a nice pullback, moving average cross, right, the low, the cross, the high, pull back 50%. Looking for targets of 1329.75 and 1331.75. If you did just the basic Fibonacci retracement setup, you're looking for 1329 even. And up here we'd be looking around 1330 would be the T3. Ready for the launch. The entry on this particular setup would be 1327.75. So you've got a lot of things setting up. I want to make sure our CCI is in line. I'm looking on the anchor charts. Both anchor charts are in long setup positions. The trigger chart has triggered right here, 1327.75. So if we're on that, I don't have the trade platform in front of everybody, but I am watching for target 1 is 1329.75. Target 2 is 1331.75. Trade triggered, the Fibonacci retracement set up nicely for an entry at 1327.75. Most would not be going long into yesterday's low and today's open. Perfect opportunity for a shark attack trade. T1 is already hit and filled. T2, 1331.75. Now, sometimes a shark attack trade can happen instantaneously, very fast, or sometimes it can take a couple hours for it actually to materialize and set up. In this particular case, it took from, so where's the first approach? At about 12 noon until now, so a little over an hour and 10 minutes. Okay, so now we're hitting T2 and T3 on the Fibonacci setup, and in the meantime, the Fibonacci trade is over. Looking for 1331.75. Two ticks short of T2. Looking for 1331.75. I'm going to go ahead and remove the Fibonacci levels at this point. At what point we'll be considering potential exit is we are watching the CCI, potential cross to the downside. We're also watching the holding indicator. Everything is bullish. ADX is confirming. Advanced decliner is looking good. Bank index is off to the races. $1331.75, one tick away. Tap, tap, tap. Tap the bottom of the monitor. Looking for 1331.75. Tap, tap, tap. Tap the monitor. Tap the bottom of the monitor. Those of you that have a Mac computer, please be careful with your white gloves. Tap one more tick. Come on. Once T2 gets touched, one. I don't know how many hit there. It hit a little bit. 1331.75. T2 has hit.
Order filled.
T2 filled. Thank you for watching.